Let's open this box. Guardians version 3. Yeah, Defender version 3. Looking. Okay. Transform 2025 Hasbro. This Transformers. This there. Let's get the packaging. So this is the cheese. So it's in Chinese. It's a truck. Okay. Oh, it's a truck. Show me the coin Transformers. Luckies. This is the simple instruction for the build. So what's this booklet? Ah, it's the collection. It's really nice pa. Wow, this is how you build the big one. So this is the final, like Optimus color violet. It's moving. Yan. Cool. So the next one, let's see what we got. And it's shockwave switch. Yeah, it's a Decepticon. So ito pala yung one of the chase. Is this one? One of the chase. So ito yun. Ganda shiny. Ang ganda shiny ha. Tapos ito yung kanyang dog. Not bad, not bad. So for the next one, it's a trap. So here's the toy. White trap. Starscream, purple Starscream. So here it is, the purple Starscream. Yeah, it swings on the back. So cool. The other case. Now can be this one. Can be this one. Okay, it's another. Ah, got a whole sword. Just this one. Sword. It's cool though, it's so cool. Yes. Another robot. This is number. This one. the stick. Ayan yung paganto pa oh. Hindi pa ginawang wireless. The whole thing is transparent. So next one. No those please. Oh. So mixer truck. The vehicles now are more beautiful than the previous vehicles. Versus the Galaxy version 1 and 2. Smaller than this. So we did this for our Titan Decepticons. So next. We've got two chains. It's a golden Megatron versus was Jace. It's not. So let's open this one. Love when it's shiny and it's transparent parts, translucent parts. Yeah, let's go. So I love the color of this one. Shiny and transparent. Nice. So next one. Still in order fit. It's a good sign. It's an Optimus Prime purple. Optimus Prime purple. So let's go. Let's go. Purple Optimus Prime. Looks like an infected Optimus Prime, huh? So this is the infected Optimus Prime. The big gun. Ay pa sa kanya eh. So next. Oh, really. Ito yung magra-rally Transformer. Taga shoutout Transformer. So last two. Oh yes. So wala pa ito. Yung pula. Woo! I love the colors. I like this one. So colorful. It's like a Phoenix. It's like a retro toy. But yes, these two weapons, yeah. let's get the last one. So, hindi pa lang namin ako kung ano meron ito. Pero ito meron ng Galaxy version 2. Ano natin lahat? Baka ito yung makuha natin. Oh no. Sana dito na isa lang sa mga chase dito. Kaya ito sa dalawang to. Oh no. Naman sana. Trap na yun. Come on. Sabi na. But this is a dealer version of the track. Version 1, version 2. Niya malalaki siya. Siguro for this big this one. Already got this 3 in the other set. Next one 1, 2, 3 in the other set. But I don't know where's the head. Big parts pala. Maybe it's the head is in the bigger version. For the rig up, we get all of the regular ones in this box, and this is our chase. I think it's the rare one per box siguro. Yan. So okay, let's make them done.